Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to prepare banana buns or Mangalore buns made of wheat flour, not maida. Maida is optional here. Wheat flour 4 glasses I have taken. Maida I have taken 2 tablespoons. To this I am adding jeera 4 teaspoons, a pinch of baking soda. Now we are peeling the bananas. 4 bananas I have taken here, big bananas. So you will have to grind it with salt and sugar. 1 cup of sugar I have taken and grinding it to a fine paste. Now to this paste we will add 1 cup of curd and 30 to 40 grams of butter. We will grind it again and keep this aside. So to the flour we will add oil, just oil. I am not heating oil here, just 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix it well and then add the ground fine paste. Here butter is not completely ground, so we will grind it using, mix it using our hand. So mix it, do not add water to this. So the paste which you have ground, that only is enough to make it as a dough. Now the dough is ready. We will just spread some oil on top of the dough, and then after we spread this oil we will just wrap it in a plastic sheet and keep it overnight. If you cannot keep it overnight, you can keep it at least for 3 to 4 hours. See, I am just wrapping it in a plastic sheet and then incubating it. Now we will take oil for seasoning and add mustard to this. I am doing it for coconut chutney. Coconut chutney is a very good combination with banana buns. I am adding green chilies and curry leaves. 6 to 7 green chilies I have taken here. We will just mix it. Now into a mixer jar we will add coconut, fresh grated coconut, 1.5 cups. This is for the coconut chutney. To this we will add the seasoned chilies. Now to this crystal salt I am adding 1.5 teaspoons and tamarind according to your taste. I have ground it now. We will add to a basil and add the remaining seasoning to the chutney with curry leaves. Yes, our chutney is ready. Now I have kept it overnight, the dough. We will open it. Before that we will keep 3 cups of oil for heating. We will just open this and take small portion of it and then make small balls like this. Here the important tip, do not over press the dough. While you do this, let the oil get heated up. As I told you, do not over press it. Then we will see if the oil is hot now. Yes, we will start frying it, deep fry it. See how beautifully, splash some oil onto it. Yes, our banana buns, which is very soft and tasty, is ready now. Even if you keep it for more hours, it will not be elastic like maida buns, so it will be very good and tasty. Yes, our banana buns is ready with coconut chutney. Please try it at home and comment. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and for more videos like this, please hit the bell button. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.